Please, 1. Add user. 1. Add administrator use. Please enter unlocked information. Please capture a frontal face. Please capture a frontal face. User 002 success. Please capture a frontal face. Please lift your head. Please lower your head. Please tilt your face towards the right side. Please tilt your face towards the left side. User 011 success. Please capture a frontal face. Press again. Press again. Press again. Press again. User 001 success. User 002 success. Enter unlock information. Input again. User 004 success. Please verify the 1. Add user. 1. Add administrator. Please enter unlock information. Please verify your face. Please verify the administrator user. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System settings. 1. Data time settings. 2. Please enter the date time. 2. 4. Year. 0. 7. Month. 2. 7. Day. 1. 5 hour. 2. 8. Success. Please verify the administrator user. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System settings. 3. 1. Opening direction. Right open. 1. Opening direction. Left open. Opening direction. Left open. 2. Auto lock medium. 2. Auto lock high. 2. Auto lock equal. 2. Auto lock low. Tamper alarm enable. 2. Motor torque low. 3. Lock back time. 2. 4. Roll alert. 1. Tamper alarm enable. 1. Tamper alarm enable. Tamper alarm enable. 2. Motor torque low. 3. Lock 1. Tamper alarm enable. 2. Motor torque high. 2. Motor torque medium. 2. Motor torque low. 2. Motor torque low. 3. Lock back time. 2. 4. 3. Lock back time. 3. 3. Lock back time. 4. 3. Lock back time. 5. 2. Motor torque low. 3. Lock back time. 2. 4. 4. Roll alert. 20 seconds. 4. Roll alert. 25 seconds. 4. Roll alert. Equal. 4. Roll alert. 15 seconds. 3. Lock settings. 4. Face recognition settings. 1. Auto detect enable. 2. Detection distance near. 3. Recognition prompt enable. 1. Auto detect smart mode. 1. Auto detect enable. 1. Auto detect enable. 1. Auto detect enable. 2. Detection distance near. 3. Recognition prompt enable. 2. Detection distance medium. 2. Detection distance far. 2. Detection distance near. Enable. 2. Detection distance near. 3. Recognition prompt enable. 3. Recognition prompt enable. 3. Recognition prompt enable. 3. System settings. 1. Data time settings. 2. Installation settings. 3. Function settings. 1. Network configuration. Net configuring. Success. 3. Function setting. 1. Network configuration. 2. Volume. 2. Volume. Medium. 2. Volume. Low. 2. Volume. Silent mode. 2. Volume. High. Configuration. 2. Volume. High. 3. Dual authentication. Enable. 3. Dual authentication. Enable. 3. Dual authentication. Enable. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 1. Verify user deletion. 2. Delete. Enter user info to delete. User 004 success. User 1. Verify user deletion. 2. Delete user by ID. Enter user ID to delete. 004. User 004. Success. 3. Function settings. 4. Factory reset. Factory reset. Please press the hash key to confirm. Success.